AISonic Studio Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of AISonic Studio. My name is Adam from the Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to dive into a sneak peek demo inside the members area of AISonic Studio, just to go over how this app works and the pros and cons of this approach. Before we dive in, just to let you know that I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this working from home for well over 10 years now, which is really cool. So hopefully all that experience, seeing lots of these different systems come and go in that time, will help you out as you research AISonic Studio Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done for you system and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with AISonic Studio, basically they're presenting it as an app which converts an audio file that you already have into a video. So we're going to take a demo of the app and just to show you exactly how that works. For me, my first impression is it's a strange thing to brand as the main selling point of a product, because most people do not have lots of audio files lying around that they want to convert to videos. Most people don't just create audio alone with marketing. So it's kind of a strange approach to a system. Most people are interested in converting text to a video because you can create a text script using AI and then convert that to a video, or you may have a text blog post. But most people don't just have an audio file. Maybe if you've got a podcast and you do podcasting, then you can convert that to audio. It would make more sense if you start off creating audio-only content as part of your marketing, like podcasts, but most people don't do that. But there's still some quite interesting tools as part of the system of AISonic Studio. So basically, you can start with a number of different methods. You can upload an audio file to convert to a video. You can record audio with your own voice from scratch. You can start with text and then convert that into speech. So you can actually create an AI video script with text and then use that as the input, which would make more sense to me. And you can also basically start with a different medium, translate it into what you want, such as start with text, translate that into speech, and then convert that audio into the video. So you first need to somehow create an audio file to use with AISonic Studio to use the main features. Before you dive into looking at the audio conversion, you actually select one of these templates to use as the video. So the video is basically a background image, and then you have text appearing over the top of the image. So it's not as exciting as some other video apps where you've got professional stock footage appearing in the background and then your text overlaid, and you've got several different slides. This almost uses just one image as the background. There's not obvious slide transitions or animations or anything interesting going on. It's just a canva.com background image, and then you have subtitles appearing over the top. I prefer the video tools where you've got professional stock footage or stock images in the background, and then you've got the text overlaid onto it, but the background changes, it looks professional, it's a bit more engaging than just text appearing on a stationary image. So then you basically upload the audio file you've already got, or create an audio file from scratch using their text-to-speech software, upload it in, and then you get to open it up in a separate audio editing tool, and then you can do various things such as trim the audio, take out highlights. You could even translate it into different languages and do video marketing for various different geographical areas based on an initial audio file in a different language. So that's quite a cool feature. I quite like this trimming and editing feature you can do with the audio, just to make sure it's highlighting the main bits from a longer form podcast. For example, you can trim out a highlight and then create a video from that highlight. You can have background music going along in addition to the speech, and then you can balance out the volume to make sure the background music fits in with the video recording. So I quite like this audio editing tool actually, which is pretty cool. It's just most people won't really have audio files alone to start with unless you're a podcaster. And then this is how you actually create the video. It's basically the initial image you created with that Canva style editor, and then the script is overlaying here in real time with the AI voiceover audio, and then they're highlighting the words as they speak. So that's quite a popular method for TikTok, is to have real-time translations appearing over the top with animation, and then the colouring of the word that is being spoken at that particular moment is highlighted. So I do quite like that approach. I just think it would be better to have more interesting background images, maybe stock footage or a stock footage library you could search as the background. You've also got a number of different standard AI tools here, such as you can actually create your video script from scratch using the content generation tool. So you can create text-based content or even other content for your website if you want. And then you can use the text-to-speech tool to convert that text into speech, choose your specific voiceover artist that makes the best fit for you, and then you have an audio file you can work with to create a video from. So there are some useful tools as part of AISonic Studio to create those basic audio files that are overlaid over the top of that background image. So both pros and cons in terms of this specific strategy for video marketing. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my AISonic Studio review. If you want to discover my #1 system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below, the webtraffictoolkit.org link. That's my #1 system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for my top recommended online system. My name is Adam from the Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews YouTube channel, and thanks a lot for checking out my AISonic Studio review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.